Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can verify your account on PrimeXBT Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT application on your device, and after logging in using either your credentials or your PIN code, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you haven't already verified your account, then you will need to do this before you can make a deposit. Just tap on the verify button right within the home page. Or you can also tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on your username. You will find the verify option within this page as well, so just click on it and now just provide your location. You will need to provide a selfie, an identity document, and also fill a questionnaire. Click on the continue button and now just take a selfie of yourself following the instructions. Once your photo has been submitted, you will need to provide a document as well. This can be your driver's license, your identity card, or your passport. You can submit the document by taking a picture, or you may also upload from your gallery. After submitting both your selfie and your document, you will get a few questions, and after answering those, your details will be sent for verification. After this, you will need to wait for a maximum of 24 hours for your information to be checked and verified. After your documents have passed the verification check, you will get a notification letting you know that your account has been verified, and now you can start to deposit your money to start trading with your crypto right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the PrimeXBT Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.